Hi, in this video, I am explaining about auto service feature in Nomato Pro. Are you a business owner and getting multiple queries based on your business and struggling to reply them one by one? Then you can set up auto replies for each question. For example, if you are providing a course and you are getting multiple queries based on the courses, for example, based on the brochure or the price list or for a demo tutorial, so you are getting the same questions from multiple customers and based on the keywords they are asking, for example, price list or brochure or demo tutorial. Then based on the keywords, you can set up auto replies. So for price list, you can set up a price list and then when they are asking about price list, it will automatically share. And for a brochure, you can set up your brochure in auto reply and it will automatically share. So for a greetings, if they are greeting you, you can set up a greeting message for them also. So for a new customer inquiry, you can send them greetings also for new customers. And like this, you can set up multiple auto replies in your auto reply feature. So for setting up this auto replies, I will guide you step by step. Here you can see this icon. Click on this and create. And you can give a name. So here I am setting price list. Here by clicking on this add activation, you can see multiple options. So by selecting this option, you can set up how you want to send the auto replies by received message. So by clicking on this option, you can send auto replies based on the questions they are asking. So for example, if you are running an ad and if you are getting inquiries like, can you please share more details about this? So based on this question, you can send them auto replies. By keyword in the message, by detecting the keyword from the query, we can set up auto reply. So for example, if they are asking, can you please send the price list? Can you share the price list? Please share the price list. So from these kind of questions or from this kind of queries, we can detect the price list. So for this, we can set up a price list for sharing in auto reply. And by detecting this keyword, you can send these details. And for example, for the brochure, we can send the brochure details by detecting the brochure keyword. And here by selecting this option, we have to set up the possibilities. So for keyword, this is case sensitive. So we have to type all possible keywords for the question. Then first customer message of the day. So if we got a first message for the day from a customer, then we can send the auto reply according to that. So the last one, first customer message. So for this, if a customer is first time messaging you, then you can set them auto reply based on that. Here I am setting up by keyword in the message. And here I am setting multiple options. Price list, price list, price list. So here like this, you can set up all possible keywords. And for setting up action, for setting up auto reply, you can select this. And for the price list, I am selecting from documents. So you can select text, image, video, audio, documents, quick responses, any kind of replies in auto replies. So you can select according to your needs. So the price list is added here. And if you want to send another message with this price list, you can set up by clicking on this. And here you can see trigger rules. So here there are multiple rules are here. So the first one, allow replying in groups. So if you want to allow the customer to reply in groups, you can select this option. And for this rule, allow responses only on specified days and time. So if you want to send on specific date and time, you can select this option. If you don't want to reply if the conversation is open, you can select this option. And if you don't reply if conversation is archived, you can select this option. And if you want to customize or disable the signature, you can select this option. And regarding the CRM contacts, you can say do not reply if the contact is in CRM. So if the contact is already in CRM, if you don't want to reply, you can select this option. If you don't want to reply only to CRMs, you can select this option. If you want to reply only to CRM, you can select this option. Then this one is based on labels. So if you don't want to reply if the contact is tagged, then you can select this option. And you don't want to reply only to tags, then you can select this option. And if you want to reply only to tags, then you can select this option. According to your needs and criteria, you can select any of the rules from here and the replies will be automated based on this also. And if you don't want to add any rules, you can avoid these trigger rules. And here I am creating. And here you can see some previous auto replies are here. And here you can see services completed. So this option is sent 2 times. And if you don't want to send this price list auto service, you can deactivate from here, clicking on this. Now it is active. And if you want to edit this, you can edit, or if you want to delete, you can delete, or if you want to duplicate this, you can duplicate like this. And if you want to deactivate, you can deactivate like this. So now I am activating only the original one and closing this. And now for testing, I am sending a question with a price list in that question. So here I got this question: can you please share the price list? And the price list is shared here. And like this, you can set up auto replies based on the queries, the possible queries from the customers, and you don't have to send them multiple times. So here in this question, you can see the price list keyword is detected automatically and the details are shared instantly. And for by received message, I will show you. So here you can set up the add question, like you may give a question to the ad for the as a key question. So here you can set up this key question. Based on this, you can set the auto reply. So if you are running an ad regarding your course and you are giving a tag question for the ad. So if you are providing these kind of questions for your ad, you will get the inquiry from customer like this. And here you can select the action from the documents. So here I am added a course details PDF and I am creating. So if you are getting the question based on an ad from a customer, here I will show you. I am getting the question and the course details are shared instantly. So like this, you can set up multiple auto replies based on your needs, and you can select the triggers according to your business and how you want to message the customers. For the first customer, you can greet them, or for first message of the day, you can greet them according to that. So the first message of the day only will work for one time in a day. And if you want to send this auto replies from your web WhatsApp, your web WhatsApp must be in online. This feature won't work if your system is off or if your web WhatsApp is closed. If you have any doubts or concerns for setting up this feature for your business needs, feel free to reach us. Thank you.